What's up, guys? Aaron's here, and I have kind of an interesting little, desk toy gadget. I remember these are Speks, magnetic little 2.5 millimeter magnetic little balls, malleable, mashable, smashable. You build stuff out of it. I remember when Bucky balls first came out, I kind of really wanted them because I'm kind of a fidgeter. I never actually had a fidget spinner. I don't know why. I played with them before, but I do kind of fidget and play with stuff throughout the day, pins or whatever. So I kind of was looking to get something. They had a sale going on, so I got 1,000 ones and went ahead and got those. So I just wanted to do like a quick unboxing, quick little looks at it. I went with the blue because obviously like I'm a huge Kentucky fan, go Big Blue, and that's where I like this edition. Read some reviews on the matte, said it's not that good, so I went with this one. But yeah, so this is the box, comes in this. Shipping was really slow on this now. I know it did, like I said, holidays or whatever. But it was really slow. Like it didn't move for like 6 days. And they're like, oh no, that's normal. And I don't know when customer service finally, because I was like, okay, it's supposed to be here by now. But yeah, here's what it's gonna come with inside the box. I got 1,000 of them, a 16-page starter guide. And then you also have the building base, a metal thing, a splitter card, and a little carrying case. Now again, let's talk about price here. The 1,000 ones are $49.95, so they're definitely expensive, but there are some like knockoff ones. These are from the creators of original Bucky balls. I guess the owner, like once they got banned, oh, my cat's about to make an appearance. Once they got banned or whatever, they kind of went, too small, choking hazards, blah, 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 animal hazards. They kind of went with a different company name. I don't know, whatever. We're here now. 512, so you get half as many for $27.95. And then 1,000 is going to be $49.95. It says you save 10% if you buy it like this. But let's go ahead and get this open and start playing with it. Again, you see the obvious warning. Cool. Let's get it open, play with it, check it out. So I cheated and got that little open part here. And let's just pop that out. Okay, so it's like a glass plastic. These are actually pretty heavy. First thoughts, yeah, a little heavier than I thought. Let's get. There's the little metal base. It says Speks on it. What else is in here? We can maybe open it up from the bottom. Oh crap! Another thing to break. There we go. Okay. Hold this thing out here. There's something in here. The cat just making her rounds here. Oh, it's a nice blue carrying case. Yes, and then the little, I don't know what that is, just a piece of the box. So, oh, there's a split share, shape, size, and set Kiwi stop. And then, so that's a little card or whatever, but it's very just like a normal card. Get going guide, I guess like some designs, but hey, cool. Let's get to the good stuff. So it's obviously sealed here. Sealed really well, actually. How the hell? Let's see here. I'm gonna have to cut this open. All right, I went ahead and cut it. As you see, scissors. Get those out of here. You get open. You see little balls coming loose. Okay, like I said, it's very interesting. You can see the balls already coming loose. Oh, it is definitely like interesting. It kind of feels like a putty. It really is. And these are supposed to not rust or anything like, fade or anything. But yeah, it's definitely feels like a putty. I can see how it's dangerous though. Like if you pull them apart, yeah. So obviously you really don't want these around kids. I'm actually about to have my first kid here. And then, see what happens. So obviously he can ball it up, do little funny shapes, and that's what this guide is for. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So 1,000 of them, as you see, there's not that many. They are definitely expensive. Rare magnetic earths. So 512. It's funny. 512 spectacular. This is not 512. This is 1,000. So obviously they don't have more than one of these. Beeps, blah blah blah. According the blob, the wrap. So there's all these different like tools and things, art tools, shapes and stuff you can different make. 4x4, 64. Yeah. So it's just something fun to play with and fidget with. Cool. So there's the case. Throw it in there. Make sure we got all the balls. Shut it. It's pretty. feel like it is potentially could easily pop open there. It's not really that tight of a case. Yeah, see, it's not that tight of a case, honestly, so be careful if you're gonna throw that in a bag or storage bag or anything. Yeah, I feel like that needs to be a tighter case. But it does feel very cheap in plastic. Obviously, all the money's on the magnets. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything. That's your first little, cool, it sticks to that. The mag, sorry, forgot the magnet. Ooh. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. Definitely expensive though, at 50 bucks. It feels like, you know, dog tag chains, and but for 50 bucks, I mean, you know, like I said, I got mine on sale. I think it was about 50% off. You know, to me, 20 bucks, 20, you know, 20, 30 bucks, not bad. 50 bucks, a little pricey, but I'll let you guys decide. But yeah, that's a quick little unboxing and checking it out and playing with it. And you can see, I like this nice blue. It does look good. The metal, so you can like shape stuff and stand up. That's pretty cool, actually. It's pretty strong. But yeah, so, all right. And if you guys do enjoy the video, be sure to like and subscribe. You know, check out my other content. Don't usually do weird. I do try to do weird stuff here and there. But definitely give it a like. Hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching, guys. Ta-da.